here we are at the Parkroyal Darling Harbour in a King Superior room. Not unlike the Parkroyal we've stayed at in Melbourne. It's a very similar sort of layout. Nice big king bed, same linens that they have in Melbourne. Desk if you need to do some work. Size of the telly, darling, how do you rate it?
Adequate.
That's
a good 50 inches.
50-inch telly apparently. We have a little fridge. I actually haven't opened the fridge, I must confess. Nothing in there except those awful long life milks. There ought to be a law against those, I swear. Nice view. So we are at Darling Harbour, so you've got a view across to Darling Harbour. Have a very large building in the way, and you've got a little bit of a hint of the harbour through between there. You may not be able to see it, but you can actually just walk straight under one of this road but in front of us and up that way and straight across to Darling Harbour. So it's only a short little walk across to Darling Harbour. Little chair to sit on. Someone with sore feet from walking around Darling Harbour all day. Nice big wardrobe, robes, slippers, ironing board. There's another what are they called? Luggage rack in there, and there's also one here which is kind of handy because we have two mammoth suitcases, so we'll grab that out in a minute. And a lovely big bathroom, which seems to be the kind of thing with Parkroyal I find. Big vanity, lots of room for all your stuff. Shower above the bath, never a big fan of that, but it is what it is. Although somebody has tested the water pressure because he's a little bit precious about those sorts of things and has declared it very good. Toilet there. And I don't think there's anything behind the door, just rails and racks. So look, a really nice room. Very dark decor, but I actually don't mind. It's very modern. And I think we'll be perfectly comfortable. Just a quick wrap up of our stay at Parkroyal Darling Harbour. We did enjoy it there. We didn't find it perhaps quite as friendly as we did Parkroyal Melbourne Airport, but it was still very pleasant. We were really happy. We dropped our luggage off early because we checked in early. And we actually found that when we got back, they had moved all our luggage up to our room. That was really lovely. Disappointingly, their restaurant and bar aren't open Monday and Tuesdays at the moment. Hopefully that will change. We did order room service. It was prompt. It was hot. It was very, very tasty, very delicious. We just had to move the desk around in order for us both to be able to sit down and eat. So I would recommend it. I think we'll enjoy our stay there next time. We have booked again, and we probably will book again. To be honest, we did rather like it.